Hi everyone, I'm Cemal Bulunmaz, your jewelry professional, and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In this video series, I'm using our Ringmaker CNC machine and I'm making interesting ring ideas for you and shoot that in the movie. I designed a chess ring for you. I will engrave the most important two chess characters, king and queen. These are the couples, on the ring, and I will have a couple ring. One ring will have a queen and the other one will have a king character. At the end of the video, I will show you all. Our compressor is working. It's preparing for the Ringmaker. My character is ready. This is queen or king?
Queen.
Queen. This is the queen and the king will be on the other ring. If you are ready, let's start. I am using Ringmaker machine in this video series, and as you probably know, Ringmaker has 6 different heads. Here we have 2 of electric spindles. Each of them are 40,000 RPM and 1.2 kilowatt strong spindles. I have a pneumatic spindle. I have a hammering head. It's good for point dots design. You can see in the other videos. I have a background motor which I will use in this video, and I have a 360 degree turning all around diamond cut head. I will not use in this video. So I'm using 3 tools in this model. I will have a background with that background motor. I will use V-cutter. V-cutter is a carbide tool. It has a V shape and there is a 0.10 millimeter tip on it. That's a very important tool if you wanna engrave something with a lot of details. If you wanna engrave enamel jewelry, it's really important for detailed engraving, and of course it takes a little while to use V-cutter because there are many details. And third, I will use a diamond vertical line tool. It's V-cutter is on the first spindle and the diamond tool is on the second spindle. I'm using 3 tools in this video. 6 head in Ringmaker. I'm using 3 of them and they will work one by one automatically. Ringmaker is making all the operation automatically. You don't have to touch the machine once you start the operation, as I do now. I'm starting now. The background will come first. My ring is there. I'm using an 8 millimeter ring and the diamond background head is in operation. I have a T4 cutter. As you can see, Ringmaker is preparing the background of the ring. Going a little bit out because we are using an iPhone. We don't have an external microphone. That's why when we are shooting near the machine, you can't hear me. So the operation is going. You can see the process here. It's a pretty fast operation. It will take kind of 1 minute. Let's get a close look again. Half is completed and half is being completed. That's my background design before engraving the queen shape. It's about to finish. When background finished, the machine will automatically change to the next level V-cutter. You will see now in a few seconds. It's like 55. I can say in 10 seconds it will be changed. Background motor is it's about to change. You can see here. It's totally automatic. Background motor can engrave many different background designs. Here you see the V-cutter is coming, the spindle motor. It runs automatically without touching the machine, and the V-cutter will have a little bit long operation. I want to tell you a little bit more about background motor. Background motor, we have different tools, T4, T5, T6, different type of tools you can see on our website, and you can combine the design, you can combine the speed, and you can get many different background designs before your engraving. And second one is V-cutter. Now let's watch our video how the V-cutter work on details. V-cutter is in the operation. As I told you, it's a V shape and it's a really good tool, best tool to make the detailed products. During the operation, I want to show you my computer. Here is the software AutoCAD. I'm using AutoCAD. That's a famous software for the architects, but it's very convenient for our machines. So I'm using AutoCAD, and here you can see the exactly same design. That's the queen and the king here. So you can basically make your 2D design on a open ring shape. That software is pretty easy. As we use 2D design, it's really easy. I will have in the future software videos also. You can learn more about it. The process is about to finish. As I told you, Ringmaker will automatically change the tool and will split to diamond tool. What is diamond tool? Just check our website www.com. We have different diamond tool models. You can also use them in your designs. Let's wait for Ringmaker to change the tool. It's almost finished. It's like, as I told you, yeah, let's go. We go. I fixed here a diamond tool. How many millimeter line?
0.1.
0.1. That's one of our smallest sizes. 0.1 millimeter diamond tool. Let's get a close look. Is just finishing the frame of my chess character queen.
Yeah, queen.
You can see here it's just finishing the frame. It will be really quick. You can see it really detailed, but when we finish the operation, I will show you. It's almost finished. You see it's a quick process. I can have a quick look here. Here you see the design. It's finished the operation. I used 3 tools in this design: background tool, wheel cutter for the detailed engraving, and then I finished around the frame of my chess character with a 0.10 diamond tool. My engrave is pretty deep. You can see detailed here. It's really nice. I used a background tool to prepare the background design, and then I used wheel cutter. That was a little longer process. Wheel cutter, you can see more information on our website about wheel cutter. And then I finally finished the design with a CNC line tool just around the frames. You can also make different combinations on this on that chess ring. I used 3 tools, but you can combine LATHE tools around. You can make different background. I just made few examples I want to show you, or you can create more ideas. You can see here my different finishings. That was the ring we just made, and that's a little bit different finishing. The queen is here and the king is here. You can see different on the background. And here my more designs, such as magic wheel. I made a lathe machine. I have different engraving on the background, and here I used a little bit different technique, my hand background. You can see here. Thank you so much for watching us. I hope you are enjoying Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Come again, watch our more videos to enjoy and to learn more about jewelry. See you again.